Put cucumber seeds, buried in small pots filled with nutrient soil. Only water, but not fertilize. Will it succeed in picking up the cucumber in the end? Let's shoot under the rock. Observe its growth process. The next day, at the right temperature. It starts to sprout when it sucks enough water out of the soil. Hagen was the first to break through the seed coat, longitudinal growth and development into the ground. Formation of taproot. When the taproot extends to a certain depth, it will grow many roots laterally. They form these enormous root networks, absorb nutrients and water. Small buds drill out of the soil. The first two leaves to unfold are called purple leaves. A leaf that subsequently emerges from between two cotyledons. It's called a real leaf. It is the true leaf of the plant. Its function is to absorb light energy for photosynthesis that empowers carbon dioxide and water. Certainly, it is also a major organ for plant transpiration. And as they get longer, they get more and more. They got bigger. This cucumber plant has entered a period of rapid growth. On day 29, the vine leaves grow thin. Long, soft tendrils. These tendrils are going to look around like crazy. What it does? It's about grabbing everything you can nearby, climbing up for day 35. Top cucumber vines. Trim the lateral buds at the bottom again. Stick. Use a cable tie to help him fix it and grow up. The tendrils can be better observed at this time. Once you grab the stick, it goes from a straight strip to a spiral. Pull your main post closer to the object you are grasping. Firmly fixed fourth is. In 3 days, the cucumbers start to grow. If the plant can provide sufficient nutrients and water, the cucumber will expand rapidly. But this planting container is too small. Not enough soil. In the end, 3 cucumbers were left, but they didn't grow much. And the taste is also very weak. They don't taste good. It's better to change the way. Teach you to grow more and bigger cucumbers at home. First of all, we need to raise the seedlings. Plant cucumbers. Soak the child in warm water for 5 hours. Take it out and put it in a slightly moist tissue. Finally, find a fresh keeping bag to cover it with. Put it on the router or in a warm place with a constant temperature. This is a tissue reminder. Generally, the seeds will be white and germinate in 1 to 2 days. It's seeding. The germination rate is very high and very fast. Fill the tray with loose, fertile soil. After flattening, poke a small hole in each grid. Sow cucumber seeds in sequence and cover it with soil. After spraying water to soak the soil, put it in a sunny place next. Leave it to time to wait for the seeds to germinate. Just keep the soil moist during the period. During the period of seedling cultivation, we can prepare containers for planting in advance, and the soil will ferment and decompose nutrients. Rice, shell, charcoal, and crushed eggshells mixed in the soil. Not only do they make the soil rich in organic matter, it also improves the soil quality, make it loose and breathable. It is conducive to the growth of plant roots. Cucumber seedlings in nursery trays after 10 days. 3 to 4 leaves have grown. They grow fairly evenly and help. I took out the seedlings and found that the roots were full. And now we're going to put them in pots. Just plant 1 in 1 pot. Choose cloudy or evening. Transplanting can reduce transpiration, increase survival rate. Remember to water the roots thoroughly after transplanting. Let shell meow slow down faster. On the 20th day, the seedlings came to the pot again and again. After 10 days, it grew to a height of more than 20 centimeters. It's growing fast. Cucumbers are climbing plants. The wadding of the vines begins to grow. We're going to put a shelf on it now. This time, we are going to use the method of hanging wrists to plant. At both ends of the edge of the planting pot, iron a small hole with an electric soldering iron. Put on a horizontal rope. Tie one upright in the middle of each cucumber seedling. Pull the rope to the top and tie it. Finally, the vines. Wrap the rope and grow up. Pinch off the lateral buds under the cucumber vine. Let the nutrients and water attack the main wrist first and grow up. The main wrist has grown very tall. At this time, the main wrist and lateral vines grown cucumbers. Under normal circumstances, it can be planted outdoors through natural pollination. And the cucumber is an asexual crop. Now, many cucumber varieties with strong magnetism. Female flowers bear melons, even if they are not pollinated. But the unpollinated fruit seeds do not usually develop. There are a lot of white spots on the cucumber vine base cloth. These are the root systems that are about to grow. You need to add more soil to it at this point. Incidentally, cone fertilization. Loosen the surface soil with a small shovel. A certain distance from the root, apply some fermented granular C fertilizer and a small amount of compound fertilizer. Cover with a layer of soil and water. Maximize fertilizer efficiency. Day 58 of planting. The first cucumbers to be touched. You can harvest it when you grow so big. Each one grows long and big. It looks very gratifying. Fertilizer is applied after each batch of melons is harvested, so the next batch of melons have enough nutrients to grow up. Day 65. The second batch of cucumbers is ready to be harvested again. Relatively speaking, cucumbers are homegrown, one of the simpler fruits and vegetables. It emerges quickly. Simple management. You can still harvest. You can harvest 3 to 4 batches of melons once planted. Very fulfilling. Did you learn it? Follow Time Fruit. Share more novel and interesting planting methods.